Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about the iCloud storage device that I will be using here in the Class 2 EDCI 270, which I will be using the Google Drive resource. So today I'm going to kind of cover how I will be organizing my information within the nutritional theme that I have chosen and how I will plan about going to stay organized in this class. So primarily what we'll be looking at today is the EDCI 270 stuff folder, which is where I'm going to keep all of my documents. And I'm going to give a quick little example today about how information or resources that I download from online, whether it be from Brightspace like the Week 1 PDF or the documents and assignments that I create within the Doodle Drive or Doodle Doc format or screencast, etc. So whenever I have anything downloaded into my Google Drive, initially on the dash page, I will be able to just drop those into the EDCI 270 stuff folder, which they'll then appear here. From there, I have a little filing system, whether between blog posts, Google Docs, nutrition resources, rubrics and important information, screencasts, and videos. I then can drop these into the respective components so that I am able to keep things better organized and such. And then within this, if I ever need to share something with a teacher or classmate, I'm able to click into it and then I'll be able to attach the share button up here so that I'll be able to share this resource with other people just by adding their name or group information. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.